Hey trader, it's Matt from Forever Forex, and if you're looking for a Forex 1 minute scalping strategy, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you the easiest way to scalp on the 1 minute time frame. This works on Forex pairs. It works on anything on MT4. So if your broker allows you to trade cryptos, gold, indices, stocks, obviously Forex pairs, this will work. It actually works on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. So I'm about to reveal to you just the easiest 1 minute Forex scalping strategy using this simple indicator. And if you want to get it for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go grab it. It's a one-time purchase, quick download, but you're about to see how easy it is to use and how accurate it is, especially on the 1 minute time frame. It's pretty crazy. So I just pulled up a few pairs. I got CAD, GJ, GU, GA, EU, and EJ. I would highly recommend trading this on pairs that move. Therefore, any pound pairs would be really good. I kind of looked at pound New Zealand was good. Euro New Zealand was good. These GJ and GU would probably be my favorite. GA probably too. Pound pairs just move, right? So it's real easy to scalp the market, scalp 1 minute time frame because it actually moves. So since you're trading on the 1 minute time frame, I would really only recommend going for maybe 10, 15, 20 pips max. If you're getting 20 pips out of the 1 minute trades, that's pretty spectacular. You could do a lot. Grow your account very, very fast doing that. One other thing I would do is I wouldn't recommend getting into more than 2 trades at a time, meaning I wouldn't even look at I wouldn't look at 6 pairs. I wouldn't have all 6 of these pairs up. I'd probably pull up 2 and just trade 2. You're going to get more than enough signals every single day to grab 20 pips a day, because that's what I teach in my Facebook group. That's what I share with you guys. I'm just going for 20 pips a day. If you can compound your account 20 pips a day, whether depending on what you're risking, if you're risking 10 pips, let's say that risk is 2% or 5%, and you're going for 20 pips, you're basically doubling your risk, which over time is a good risk management strategy. And this is a really easy way to get it. Let me just show you some trades. So again, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. This is USD CAD. This was NFP week too, by the way. Kind of a crazy NFP week. Didn't move as much as I really thought it would. But let's just go back to 8 o'clock in the morning, which was 15. This is like 8 o'clock in the morning right here. So this is basically when I wake up right here. This is 6:30. Look at that. So what you're doing, all you have to do, it's so simple. I love this indicator and I love this Forex trading system for one reason. It removes all the emotion, right? It removes where you have to get in. You get the signal, you get in. Now you can wait for the pullback into the zone, help reduce some risk, but I would just take it, especially on the 1 minute time frame. I mean, you're talking, put your stop below that. You're talking a 6, 7 pip stop to go 15 pips. Boom. And again, I would just go for like 10, 15, like I said, 10, 15, 20 pips. Boom, there's your market. There's your money right there. You come back in here. This is right at 8 o'clock. It's like 8:03. You got the signal. Went 22 pips. Guys, it's like an hour and a half into the trading day, and you're already up 35 pips on one pair. That's incredible, right? Come in here. See how high this fired up? Now you could take it, still get 10 pips out of it, or you could wait till it pulls back. Just a couple minutes later, a few minutes later, 17 pips. Boom, got in here. This was an awesome trade. 23 pips down there, 38 pips. Like, let's just say we went for 10 pips every time, right? So that's 10, 20, that got 30, 40, 50. This is one pair, and it got 50 pips. Easy. 5 wins, no losses. UCAD. Look at that. It's incredible. Let's go check out another one. GJ. This is the end of the day. Obviously going into the weekend kind of just trickled out, right? So you got to go back here to like 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock. So this is 7. This would be the first signal. Boom. Look at that. 30 pips. You're done. That's it. Stop trading. If you get 20, 30 pips, if you get 20 pips, you should be done for the day. That should be your goal. Let's say you're risking, 5% per trade, which is pretty aggressive. But on a smaller account, if you just want to flip it real fast, it is pretty aggressive. But let's say you're risking 5%, and that's 10 pips. And if you could get 20 pips, that's growing your account by 10% every single day. Boom, you just got 20 pips. That's 10% growth on your account. Right there. It's like 22 minutes. It's crazy. Let me show you a loss. Right here you would have lost. Okay? This was, what is this, 9:36. Got the sell signal. Maybe you waited till it pulled back. It would have been a 10 pip loss. But let's say you lost here. So that would be 5%. Make sure you're using, obviously proper money management. So that's a loss of 5% because that's what we're risking. Now here, you come back in and you easily got, 12 pips. So you're going to go 24. There is your 10%. So let's just say you started here, you lost, and then you won. So now you're up 5%. You could stop trading. But this is still just on one pair. Let's look at another pair. GU. That was easy. Look at this. So let's see, 7 o'clock. So 7 o'clock, here we go. Boom, get in. 17 pips. Boom, 15 pips. Check this out. If you have the guts to let this thing run, which you could just put on a runner, you could, every once in a while this is going to happen. Look at that, 85 pips on the 1 minute time frame. That's incredible. And then it just came down and kind of trickled out for what, 20, 30 pips. GA. This pair moves a lot too, so this is a good one. Let's see, 14. So you got in here, right around here. Look at that, 15 pips right there. So you got in down here, another 16 pips. Got in here. This is a good one because look how tight it is. 10 pips, 10 pip stop. Easy 20 pips. Again, if you let it run, look at this. 87 pips on the 1 minute time frame. And tell me, I've shown you now, what, 4 pairs, several trades, and only 1 loss. And the loss was 10 pips. So the losses are small, profits are big. It's super easy to get a good risk management strategy using this on the 1 minute time frame. All next week, I'm going to focus on trading the 1 minute time frame. I'll post updates in my Facebook group so you guys can watch me trade if you don't want to use it yourself. If you want to grab this indicator, I'll put a link in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, it's in the description. If you're watching this video on my Facebook group, click the link I give you. It'll take you to the YouTube video, and then just click the link in the description. Grab it, trade with it, grab a couple pairs. Let me know how it goes for you. If worst case scenario, if you don't like it, the guy offers 100% refund. So if you have nothing to lose, you either do good, throw it on a demo, throw it on a live account, trade some micros. And that's it. Happy trading.